Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the Join Us menu on your Wix mobile app. So from your Wix mobile app, you want to go to Manage, and on Manage, you want to go to your mobile app settings here, right? It used to be down here on settings on site and apps, but they've moved it on Wix mobile. So now it's up here on mobile app. Now on mobile app, you can see usually it's under growth tool here, right? There is a section here where it says join us or an invite banner on your website, right? But in my section here, it doesn't appear because I don't have a premium plan available. But it's usually here on growth tools. If you don't see it here, you can check as well on settings and on your mobile app here. It might be here as well, but they've recently moved it, so now it's on mobile app here. If you like this video, please consider liking and subscribing.